Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a custom watermark in Photoshop. Okay. First of all, create a new layer. Select text, horizontal type, Arial, black, simple. Okay. Select the color I is white and write custom watermark. Okay. Then add your watermark, please. Hold Walter. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Hold Control, right click mouse, convert to smart object, rasterize layer, then opacity. I use this simple opacity. Okay.